truck for a month. I never videotaped. This is my brand new 990 Kenworth. It's the new edition of the, used to be W900, like over there. Alright, it's not, right now it's 990. And this truck I got in I bought it in Youngstown, Ohio, and Kenworth dealer, which is limited edition. It's full loaded with a big engine, big transmission, big axles. The steer axle is not big enough for me. I'm gonna change that in the future. Only what happened is this one, it's paint metallic blue. My friend did my signs and the truck number and signs for me. Yeah, only what happened is this truck, it's what do you call? Have all full loaded platinum interior, big exhaust, 18-speed transmission, 605 horse Cummins. With 2050 torque, have 40,000 axle in the back, have big tanks. You can hear it's my air condition. It's not APU, it's powered by batteries. I have special set of the batteries, Marina batteries on the other side. You can hear how quiet it is and give me air condition for like 10 hours, straight 10 hours if it's very hot. There is the box for the batteries here. Have big sleeper. Me and my wife and my son. My son a little bit happy, my wife a little bit happy. We install fenders minimizers. This one have like a fiber finish on the top. And I installed it because to come with the lights, I mean the hole for the lights, I installed the lights in the back. I'm gonna start the truck, show you the lights, and I can show you right now the lights. Just gonna turn the lights on so you can look outside. Right now you're not gonna see the lights too much because what happened is it's light daytime. Okay, I installed these lights on the bottom. It's orange in the front, red in the back. I changed the bulbs because I don't like it when it come with it. This post I have to have it because I don't see anything. But where you're sitting, you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you. And me and my son installed the lights on the bottom and inside. Yeah, there is the lights. I installed this light. It's a turn signal and light. Okay, inside it's like the Europe have Webasto for the heating. This is the exhaust pipe coming out from the heating. It's taking oil and heat your cab in the winter. With this APU better charge your batteries. Only my truck have what they call auto start, where the battery gonna go low, the truck automatically gonna start. And I'm gonna show you the engine right now. Oh, and I installed the lights inside. You can see right now, maybe inside in the vents. I'm gonna try open because this hood is very heavy. I don't know how this is gonna open. We're gonna try, please. Okay, up. Oh, it's going. We got it. Yeah, there is the 605 Cummins. The frame, it's galvanized and painted. I have bigger radiator for the better cooling, bigger fan, there is the Anniversary edition 100. Anniversary edition. Over there is a transmission. What I like about this truck, it's so easy to get to it. You remove the filter and the whole head is out. You can fix anything you want. What I messed up with this here, with a water separator. Doesn't have heater. I have to change it for the heater, because without heater, no good. No good. Okay. And the axle, I don't know, the spring have to go or something have to go. The axle have to be a little bit bigger. Oh, and I have disc brakes everywhere, in the front, in the back, everywhere. All wheels disc brakes. All wheels disc brakes. It's beautiful braking right now. Before I have drums, doesn't get the brake right away. It's hitting and stuff like that. There is the security. The hood doesn't close when you're doing something. Sorry, you have to close that till you can close the hood. You can close the hood. Oh god. And me and my son, we installed the strobe lights. These lights right here, the strobe lights, they low profile, you don't see them, only they're very bright. Okay, this sign's the magnetic, the oversized signs, the magnetic, you can take them out. Yeah, I like the size that my friend did for me. And this is the truck from outside. Yeah, I just want to show you inside. Close it. It's closing like that. Okay. Right now we're gonna get tour inside. This is Platinum Edition. It has special stitching. If you have regular, it just plain, doesn't have a stitching like that. This is Platinum Edition with imitation of the wood. Only whole truck is like that. It's Platinum Edition. These wires here, it's temporary because original wires doesn't work. I don't know why. I don't have power in the wire. When it's coming to my e-lock, to my electronic lock, I have to use the temporary like that. I don't know. I have to go to the dealer. Okay, right now we're getting in. I'm taking the shoes off because don't walk to my slipper with the shoes on. Okay, this is the electronic. In Europe they call tachometer or whatever they call. This is my computer for my maps and any information on the truck. The stitching is everywhere. It's on the seats. The seats vent and heated. It's with the armrest. This seat turn around.